My name is Patel GR, and this is my first assignment about automata theory and computation. Let's go to the introduction. So the introduction is automata theory is the foundation of programming languages, where it is used to compile and interpret, helps in lexical analysis and parsing. So basically, we all know that MiniATC is a simple programming language, where this project demonstrates all the practical implementation. Then, if we move on to the objectives, the objectives that are understanding the finite automata and implement identifier recognition that can build a lexical analyzer and to apply the theory of real world problems. And if we move on to the assignment levels, there are three levels. So the first level is identifier recognition, second level is lexical analyzer, third level is lexical analyzer plus parser. So students can choose any level, and the higher level, the more the marks. And if we go to the level 1, which is the identifier recognition, identifier must start with a letter, can contain letter and digits, no special characters allowed, and the examples are x total 1 and sum 2, and which these things are invalid, that you can see right now, which is 1x and ab/c and a$b, the special characters which are seen. And if we go to the finite automata design, the finite automata design start state checks first the character and transition for letters and digits, rejects invalid symbols and accepts state of valid identifiers. If we go to the level 2, which is lexical analyzer, reads MiniATC program, breaks input into tokens, keywords, identifiers, numbers, operators, and delimiters. And this is the example program where the first one is begin and int x, which is an integer, and x is equal to 10, where 10 is a variable for the x, and we'll print x, and that's the end. If we come to the level 3, the level 3 is a parser level, where it checks the program correctness, uses context free grammar, which is CFG, which is also known as CFG, yeah. And the structure is begin, statement list, and end. First it will be starting and the statement list, where we can list our statements, and it will be ended, and validate syntax, yeah. Next, implementation. In implementation, we can see the languages which are used, and those are C, Python, and Java. And the functions for input, token recognition, and the validation logic, which uses the console for the output. And if we come to the test cases, valid and invalid inputs tested, where we can be testing the program that we have sent. And this is the examples: x1 total, which are valid, and the special characters are not valid, and number should not be starting, and the variable should not be going next, so which ensures correctness. So if we come to the conclusion, learned automata concepts practically, build lexical analyzer, and understood compilers, and improved programming skills. So the references which I have took are class notes, mini ATC language specifications, automata theory, textbooks. Yeah, thank you.